Okay, welcome back. Today we are going to see if we can save the classes in a list or not. Let's create the list and list dot append and then p1. Okay, let's see list what it have. Why list 1? Oh, it don't have one. List 0, for example, dot name. Okay, we can save the classes in our list. Let's copy it one more time and see we can or not. Okay, we can save the classes in a list. I create a list called a student list and make it empty and say for x in range 100. Let's say name is equal to how we can access the name of a student from our data frame df dot how we can access name. Okay, let's see. I don't know, for example, and I want to search. Let's try df.name is true or not. It gave us nothing. Okay, it gave us something. As you can see, it's easy. We just try and then the answer is here, df.name x. Let's copy that and paste it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay, for name, we just get mathematics after name and then science and then English to the end. Let me just do it fast. French. Okay. Now let's run it. What it say for range 100 you are doing something wrong. The code is running great. Now what we must do, we must create what for example a student is equal to what we call our class we call it a student, so we can call it a student, we just call it st. For example, is a student and at first we put name, second mathematics. Let me see, we have this here. We just copy that line and put it down here. Name mathematics. Okay. Now we say a student list. Student. Oh, we don't run it. What? Why is student list dot append st. Now run it. St. Let's see what st have. It give us nothing. But now let's go for its first one. For example, for 5 and name. What is wrong? Why it's not working? You can say let's 0. It's not working. Why? Let's go to top. The class is right. p1.name st1 dot name dot y. Let's say len of st is how. Object type student has no len. We can't see anything about this. Let's just try to call 5st. Oh, sorry, we must go in a student list, not in st. I'm doing something stupid. Sorry, a student list. 2 dot name. Eva. Okay, let's go here. A student name 2 is Eva, and his. Let's just print. Oh, sorry. Let's just print her a score 2. For example, in French, 50. Eva French score is 50. Our code is done. We'll create a class and append the students to it. Okay, now in the next lesson we are going to do more complicated things and create a div for the class. Have a good day.